Miguel Beer is getting to high gear. Now has both Frankie Lim and Alan Kaitik in the game at the same time.
Sariling magkakampi, nagbanggan at si Nelson Aceitona is down on the floor habang tinawagan si Fred Caulfield ng kanyang third personal foul. You know, you get this feeling na ito si Lamont Struthers is taking too many shots and trying to take over this ball game, and sometimes it's out of control, Benito.
Well, nakita natin si Lamont Struthers passed the ball a lot in the last game. San Miguel Beer versus Cruz, as you see, Nelson Aceitona, I think, will have a little break at this stage.
Well, paalalahanan po namin kayo, mga kaibigan, as we take a look at Aceitona grimacing in pain. Pagkatapos itong ating semifinal encounter, panoorin naman si Marvelous Marvin Hagler, ang middleweight champion of the world laban kay Roberto Duran, ang man with the hands of stone, sa Super Bouts ngayong gabi. Dito lang sa VTV on IBC. Ito yung huling pangyayari. Baksak si Struthers.